Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial, we'll be creating this really fun, small 2-tier cake using rosettes as the main feature. I'm starting with a 4-inch cake. This will be the top tier, and I've already applied a crumb coat on this. On I go with a final layer of frosting. This is in pink, just using gel food color to color in my buttercream. Make it nice and smooth with a frosting scraper. I sell these on my website, rosiesdessertspot.com. Then bring the lip of frosting to the center of the cake. Pop it into the freezer for at least an hour if you can, so it's nice and firm. We can handle it with our hands later. And then work with your bottom tier in the meantime. This is a 6-inch cake that I'm using for the base tier. Going on with turquoise buttercream. Again, it's been pre-crumb coated, so the crumb coat just helps to trap in any crumbs. Smooth it out and then insert 3 dowels in a triangular formation. I've used bubble tea straws and they've been cut with the top of the cake, so it's nice and flush at the top. Apply your top tier to your cake with a little bit of frosting so it sticks on there and it doesn't move around. And now for the super fun part, the decorating. We have a 1M piping tip and I'm creating rosettes randomly on the cake and little star dollops here and there. To make it look extra fancy, you can make some small and some big, totally up to you. I'm just making sure though to leave room in between the rosettes to fit the second color and piping style of rosettes. In I go with the second color and a number 32 piping tip. You can make even smaller rosettes with this piping tip and it looks really pretty as well. I'm going to be filling in majority with this, and then I'll go in with a third color again. So I'm still using turquoise. I've just added extra gel color into my frosting as I go to create these 3 different colors. This is a very large star piping tip and I'm literally just piping stars all around to fill in any empty spaces. So I've used this as a filler. On you go with some sprinkles. These are by Doughy Sprinkles. Really fun little colors. So we've got gold, white, light pink and dark pink, which suited this cake design really well. At the very top I've added some star dollops again using the super big star piping tip, and I've used it as a glue to stick on my buttercream flowers. I'll leave a link to a video where I've previously piped these buttercream flowers. Super easy to do. Fill in the spaces so you can't see in between. You can add on different sized and color stars, just add a little bit more pop, and you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video tutorial. Really fun and a hard design to mess up, so it's actually very easy and hard to get wrong, I think. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe. We do upload new tutorials every week. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.